Greetings from Ekudden Flaten Nature Reserve and this spontaneous nudist beach spot. It is almost 6:30 p.m. and wonderful evening here in the Flaten Nature. Almost no wind on this beach spot here that I'm revisiting this week, and today is 23rd of June 2026 and it's time to do a relaxing swim in the lake. It is evening, don't let the sun fool you. It is just that now we are at the highest point of uh, longest day, as it is sunset now around 10:30 p.m. So 4 more hours of this beautiful sunshine. 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and we're gonna find out in a bit the temperature in the beautiful lake. The water is so clean and so clear, and while I was away on the sea, I think it got warmed up even more than the last time I was here. So let's check out. But you can see how beautiful the water is in the lake indeed. And I will be also jumping into the lake from this cliff over here. Oh, it is very warm, so I need to recalculate again, but it's definitely over 20 degrees right now, which is amazing indeed. The thermometer says 22 degrees. This is a new record this year, both in the lakes and in the Baltic Sea, which I really love. And it's going to be a very nice evening swim here in this beautiful nature. So time to relax for a quick swim here in the Flaten Nature Reserve, and one of my go-to spots to enjoy a nice swim indeed. The water looks so stunning, and the forecast was saying that it's going to be cloudy, and now the clouds have arrived, but at least you have seen the sun in the beginning of this vlog. And today's beach day number 70 on my Sweden beach adventures. So yes, summer in full swing. Yesterday I was in the concert of Shaggy in Grönlund. It was cool, I would say. He sang his biggest hits, and it was definitely worth, as I already had the entrance for the whole season. So, are we ready for a swim in the lake? Because I know I am. And let's then kick it off with a jump in the lake. So, ready, set, and go! Wow. Just wow. What an amazing swim. The water is so warm. You cannot believe how very nice it is to be in this water, and I may swim also for a longer period of time after this vlog. So yeah, super nice evening to relax and enjoy the beautiful summer day this June indeed. beautiful and majestic indeed. And it seems that the camera got smudgy all of a sudden. Not sure why. There you go. Much better. So, yes, that is a wrap for this beach adventure from Flaten, Ekudden. And thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.